Hello guys, my name is Anna, as you all know. I'm the manager of Odessa office, and yes, I'm staying in Odessa with all my family. I'm staying here to protect Ukraine, to help to our militaries and to our people that are in bomb shelters to survive. We all can help to protect Ukraine, and we all together can stand up for Ukraine right now, for the whole world probably. And we cannot film in the city center, we cannot film in different areas because of our militaries, we cannot, for security purposes, we cannot even film the seaside. Odessa right now is in the heart of war, and the only thing that we can do is to pray and to help to our militaries. I know that many of you asked how they can help to our militaries, how they can help to our troops. Of course, you can help us with your funds. You can send your funds, as I told on Monday Night Cast, to Phoenix office, and Phoenix office will send it to us. I personally and all my family volunteering. We buy medication, we buy food, and sending it to Nikolaev, Kherson, Mariupol, as far as we can go, and 0 kilometers, we call it 0 kilometer of Ukraine, on hot points. And militaries are very thankful for everything. Militaries get injured, but to get to the hospital, they have to get to hospital somehow. So they also need medications, they need first aid kits, and they need something to be protected. Many of you want to help, and many of you already helping us with your funds, with help. But we found a new way for you to help to our militaries, to help to our troops. You can go online, we will give you the links of what they need. First of all, they need bulletproof vests, they need helmets, they need jackets, they need military boots, they need military bags, and first aid kits, of course. We can give you all the links on European website where you can buy them, where you can purchase and make it delivered to Germany, to a certain address. From that address, our friends sending me all medications that we did before, they sending it to Odessa, and from Odessa, my brother personally and all my family will get it to guys, will get it to militaries, to troops, so you can participate. If you don't want to donate, if you don't know where your money will go, you can simply buy the bulletproof vest or jacket, or again, first aid kit, or a walkie-talkie, because they really need it. If somebody can buy drone, that will be just great and perfect, because our militaries, they really need it. We need to know where is located Russian troops and everything, and a drone that will, the battery can last 1 hour, will be very helpful for us. You can buy it online again and send in an address in Germany for one of our volunteers. She's sending it to me. She's sending everything to me every week on Thursday, and it's get to Odessa on Saturday. And from here, we are sending it to all Ukraine, to all places that needs, to militaries. And you can see photos right now, you can see videos that your things, your help will go to right hands. Unfortunately, yes, funds, many funds in Ukraine that created right now, yes, they help it, but they also need buy transportation, they need buy gas, they need to pay probably to some volunteers, and they maybe buying weapons. We cannot buy weapons, please guys, don't buy guns, don't buy automatic guns, don't send it to Germany, because we won't be able to ship it to Ukraine. But everything else, if you think that it's useful, even a pair of socks actually, because guys are on the front line. It's very cold in the night. It's the first warm day in Odessa, but trust me, in nighttime it's pretty cold to stay outside. And all your help, even little one, if you can donate and send money to Phoenix office, perfect. I'm buying medication again, I'm buying food, tea, everything, socks, t-shirts for our guys, and we're sending it as much as we can. But if you want to see, if you want to buy, to participate in protection for our troops, that will be very, very tremendous help for us. And I'm very thankful to every one of you for supporting us. Again, all my family is here. Kate from Odessa office also here, and she's working to make sure that our website works properly, that all the ladies that write new letters, they are safe, and we're trying to help to every person that we know. I will send you a video. We will make the video for you next week to update what we did, what we bought, what you guys bought for us. We definitely will show you more what we're doing. As you can hear, even right now we have air alert, so probably we'll have to finish our video. I hope that peace will come to our lives and to our families. Thank you very much for your support, guys. We'll update you with what you're doing and what we do. Thank you again for your support. Ukraine will stay forever.